So this is the Barco MDPC8127. It is a display that has been designed and purpose-built for digital pathology. It's unlike any other display that's in the marketplace because it has approval for digital pathology regulatory clearance. That regulatory clearance means that it has interoperable regulatory clearance for primary diagnosis with multiple whole slide imaging system. It is the only display in the industry that has that interoperability capability for regulatory clearance. One of the other really advantages about it is it's 8 megapixels. And this 8 megapixels put into 27-inch to screen means there's a lot of pixels available, and in digital pathology, a pixel equals a piece of tissue. So you see more tissue on the 8MP than you would on a display that has less pixels, but the pixels are very, very dense, and that density of pixels allows very high resolution with the display for your eyes to see images that are very crisp and bright with a lot of clear definition. The other thing that happens within pathology, unlike radiology, is these images are all color all the time, and they're designed for a specific set of colors, primarily pinks, purples, and magentas. This display has a color profile that is tuned for digital pathology for these images, and the iGuard maintains that color calibration. It's constantly monitoring this display so that it stays in calibration of what is defined for digital pathology. The other thing with pathologists is this is a thumbnail view of the entire slide, or you could look at it this way as well. This is the entire slide. A pathologist has to look at all of this slide to determine their diagnosis. They have a lot of effort, but that diagnosis often has to be done at high zoom factors or magnification. So they have to have a lot of pulling and grabbing, which has a lot of ergonomic concerns. So what we did with this display is we paired it with a touchpad. This is an input device designed for this display in digital pathology, and it's designed to use your finger as opposed to your whole hand to go ahead and grab an image and pull the image, or to use your fingers. This is in this case 2, where they're panning or they're zooming the image. This is really one way to do it. There's actually a better way to do it. It's really more microscope-like, because in a microscope, they're only moving very small little millimeters to cover the slide. If you go down into this area here, which is called the thumbnail, all viewers have that, you still have the magnification controls, but more importantly, the pathologist can grab the slide and they can navigate that entire slide with just the small movements of their fingers from this area here. This is an ergonomic advantage for them. The other thing is this touchpad has 6 different buttons that can be programmed, customized. One of the customizations that we commonly do is just a set zoom factor, because a lot of pathologists need particular set zoom factors. And then the other one is a tool called Focal Path. This is a Barco developed tool, and what it allows the pathologist to do is to see all of the structure that they need to on the slide, but have a particular area in the middle where they want to take a closer look at that image and persecute it for its final determination and diagnosis. And it's all really available at one push of the button. Its refresh rate, or how fast a pixel changes over, is twice that of a standard display. It has 120 Hertz refresh rate. So that's really what it is. This is a Barco display designed for digital pathology. These images are clear and bright, and those are the things that really separate it and make it purpose-built for digital pathology. I really would encourage you to get one in your institution to give it a try.